All right, Lincoln fans, Gauze Garage coming to you from lovely Port Charlotte, Florida. And you are looking at an all-original, unrestored, fantastic 75 Lincoln Mark IV Lipstick Edition. My friend Al Saucier owns this car, and that's where you see the Lipstick Edition. See the red accents in there? And also there's red accents right along here in that fancy coupe right there. So that's what you get with the Lipstick Edition. Beautiful car. And this comes from a time where Lincoln was making these large two-door cars, and they referred to them as personal luxury cars because you would get the large high displacement engine and with two doors. So this was Lincoln's idea of the personal luxury car. And Al has done a phenomenal job of maintaining the car. Lipstick and white twin comfort lounge seats have leather seating surfaces with vinyl. But yes, superior condition. Very nice. And yeah, let's go up with the hood, Al. All right. How long have you owned this car, Al?
17 years.
Wow. That's amazing, man. Now we're going to have a look at the engine here when he pops the hood. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Is this what, 460 or what?
460.
Yes, 460. Yes, sir. Yeah, look at that shag carpet in there, folks. Power everything. And look at that. He still has the Cracker Jacks. That's wonderful. You know, you're talking 1975, cruising down the avenue with this thing. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That is classic Lincoln, big block, torquey. Wonderful, wonderful condition. And I have to hand it to you, Al. You've done one hell of a job preserving this car.
Thank you.
Yep.
Yeah, thank you.
It looks real
stay
nice.
on it all the time. That's the big thing.
Oh, I bet, no doubt. And floating like a marshmallow, right?
I think you're in your living room.
Yeah,
You
absolutely.
leave what you really don't need.
Absolutely. Well, Al, thanks. Thank you for demoing the car.
Thank you.
All right. And there you have it, Lincoln fans. The 1975 Lipstick Edition. This is Gauze Garage.